officially made it. We're about 5 minutes out and it looks absolutely beautiful. We're driving the roads and every bit of road we go down we're like, oh my god, what's next, what's next? We're in the beginning of Luds Church. That's actually insane.
Look.
Come to England. This is Luds Church. So back in the day, a priest got kicked out of his church and he came here to pray and built his own church, and that's why it's called Luds Church. And I mean, my attempt at crossing the river. Too cocky. Got the hill to climb. I'm not ready.